Okay, here I'm going to show you my oil system for my 1967 Triumph chopper. We have our oil tank right here behind the electrical components. Oil comes down this line here to the oil manifold to the engine, and you'll see that I've changed the direction of this oil line here. Normally it would go back and circulate up the rear to the head, but I chose to run it forward into this oil filter head, spin on oil filter, and then here it comes out of the oil filter into this T, and that's all brazed together, standard copper fittings and brake line, fuel line, whatever you need to use for the size. Goes up into these two oil coolers, and after it exits the oil coolers it comes into this T, which then goes to the oil manifold on top of the head, and then also returns to the pipe from this little line right here. Now this is something that I made myself. I have a little bracket here to bolt onto the rocker box on the opposite side. Made my own little spider, scorpion looking item manifold here with a return line that goes back to the oil tank then through this little clear hose here. And it returns to the oil tank right through the top plug, which is also return line. This used to be a breather, but I capped it off. I have enough breather coming out of this port here. Does a fine job, but you know, if you wanted to make something like this, you have to be careful when you're trying to bend this line here. You see I have little dents, kink, kink, kink. Stainless steel tubing, very hard to rebend. You need lots of heat to change the direction of that. And like I say there, I've got my oil filter that's hiding down underneath the front air ram in the front of the frame there on the down tubes. So there you go. That's how I made my oil system, with the oil coolers on the front of the down tubes there. Got a pair of them teed off from the T right there, and it comes out of the oil filter head there. Spin on oil filter, very convenient. And that's how we did it. Thank you.